welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm bringing you the second part of my unboxing from FGNormal. Now this is a little bit different in the fact that they are unpacked. I did have to, or I've had to redo this video for certain reasons, but anyway, I still wanted to show you these two little goodies. So first up, now both of these paintings were $3.99, but first up we have a partial that is a special of this owl. So you can see, this is how I label mine up, by the way. It tells me where it's from, whether it is special diamond and whether it's partial. So this one is a lovely owl on a tree, and the diamonds that you get with it, while a lot of them are the basic diamonds, there are some special ones in there. So we do have some silver and some reddy orange. That's a special one. We have some blue and some brown, if you can see those through. We have a couple of types of yellow, so one's more vivid. This one, it's hard to sort of tell, but it's more of a very, very pale yellow. We have a couple of types of greens, both a limey green and a green. And then in special shapes wise, we have some little stars, which are very nice. We have some teardrops in orange, and then we have some white pearls. So that's the diamonds that you get in those, quite a few. There's 11 different packets in these to go across the painting, but I just thought he was sweet. I thought I like doing a special every now and then. I can often get them done in an evening. So this is down as a 25 by 35, and to let you know the true canvas size, or the drill area size, the actual picture size is 30 by 20. So 5 centimeters of it is the border. So if you're looking at this one, a 20 by 30 frame or a mount to then go in a bigger frame would work for that one. And then the second one, my daughter chose this one, but this one's fun. This is Funky Boots. So it's a 30 by 30, it has 25 colours, and it does have the DMC numbers with it. The symbols are extremely clear. So if my camera will focus, just to lift those up. So all the symbols are really clear. Many of them are black symbols, some of them then go to white symbols, but very clear on that one. And the actual drill area size is just short of 25. It's probably closest to 24.5 centimeters by 24.5 centimeters. Pretty much, give or take a smidge. But the colours in this one are really, really nice. And again, this one is a $3.99 painting. But to show you the colours, we've got a lot of brights, pinks, reds, yellows, purples. And then, I mean, just look at all these vibrant colours that are coming. So if you just finish a painting that maybe is a lot of 310, this sort of painting is what you want as your next one. A little bit different. Quite a lot of funky colours in there. Some bright greens. We've got your muted ones mixed in with it, but by most counts, it is a funky painting. Funky painting, funky colours, and it's definitely going to be a little bit different if you've just done one with a lot of black and or white. So that's part 2 from FGNormal. Sorry for the delay with that one. Say I just had to refilm it, but they're both $3.99 each, or they're $3.99 each. I'll pop the links in the description below if they're something that you're interested in. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.